Hello, welcome back. I've just picked up a machine, a John Deere push behind JX90. What I've got to do, a drive cable on and a couple other little bits and pieces. I was going to do it yesterday, but I had a bolt I couldn't undo yesterday, so I thought I'd take it home and do it. But I just thought I'd show you this byway. It's a restricted byway I'm on. Yeah, it wouldn't be wise to come down here. There's all alarms and Christ knows what. When you come down here and cameras. But yeah, it's a restricted byway, so you know you're not allowed down here. It's not a public byway anymore. It's got a little bit either end. And this bit is private, but it's just, like I say, it's all alarms and everything. It's got to be at the house, you can hear everything goes. Only needs a bird fly through and the alarms go off, sort of thing. So I just want to show you because not many people would have done this byway. I'm off from here. I'm going to Braintree. I'm going to look at a strimmer. So I thought we might as well have a little chat and what, you know, what we're doing, have a little chat while we're doing stuff. And yesterday I met a lorry, an Arctic lorry and 2 cars. Who knows, there's a restricted byway. I know a lot of places to actually pull over back down there because it's so soft. I was lucky I met the lorry about here, so I just pulled over onto that bit of field and hope I didn't sink, you know. Yeah, I know the old camera's a bit rattly. But I come near the road, so I won't show you the end. Right, as I was saying, I've got this John Deere JX90 in the back of the van. It says it weighs 53 kilos, but I can feel the weight in the back of the van. Considering I took my compressor out, I've took loads and loads of crap. There's a squash fox there, that's a shame. Yeah, I took loads of crap out. When you're chucking stuff in out of the van, you don't realise how much rubbish you collect. And this morning I thought, well, I'm going to have to clear it out because I've got to put stuff in. And all I've been doing is shoving the rubbish to one side, if you know what I mean. But there's just crap from ages ago I'm picking out, you know, parts and stuff. I really need to keep an eye on that a bit more. Now where you can see me, I think the marks are coming back up on the lens. What it is there's crap inside the lens. Well, obviously I can't get to clean it, and when the light hits it, it turns into a big sort of black mark or dark mark. So I apologise for that, but not long ago. And I've tried to find a couple of camera shops to take it apart, and they just don't want to know, you know. But, it's a good camera, but I might have to end up getting another one. I need to get an HD thing anyway, you know, more of a better HD, so I can get the full picture. As soon as you put it on anything, it goes to the little pictures, you know, as you're seeing now. Receiving the weight out, it feels quite good actually. Everything feels quite good. Right, so we're on the way to look at a strimmer. It's a new customer. It's one that's been sitting for about 2 years, something like that, and yeah, it's been sitting for 2 years and he's got it going. Apparently there's a lot of oil everywhere. I'm a bit confused about that bit, but that's probably, you know, too much oil in the petrol, something stupid like that. Who knows? But like, so we're going there now, and we'll have a little catch up in a minute, yeah? You know when you get that horrible thought you've done something wrong? I think I might have done that. Because yesterday when I took it apart, I laid 2 bolts on top of the machine, and then when I've just loaded it, I've tipped it up. I couldn't lift it on my own. I probably could, but I'm not just showing myself. So I lifted the back up and then lifted the front up, and I'm just thinking, what happened to them two bolts? And I'm thinking they would have fell off and still be in their bloody driveway. But we'll check it in a minute before we leave Braintree and have a look. But oh, what a stupid thing to do. I'm probably going to have to get a third one for it anyway because of the drill it out thing. But oh, I didn't want that. Now that's on my mind now, you see. I don't want to pull up because I want to get these other jobs. Bloke's waiting for me. Oh well, we'll have a look and I'll let you know. Right, I'm back home. Been home a little while actually. I've been playing with the John Deere. But I just thought I'd let you know what happened to the strimmer, or what's wrong with the strimmer. What it was, he was putting too much oil, two-stroke oil in the petrol, so it was oiling it up, and so that's why oil was coming out the exhaust, and it built up so much carbon on the plug it wouldn't run. So I just chucked a new plug in it. He was happy. He paid me double what I asked him. So if every customer did that, I'd be alright. But yeah, the bolts, I found the bolts for the John Deere. They just fell off in the back, so that was fine. I've got the cable to do this genuine John Deere cable, drive cable. The idea originally was just to do the drive cable and a new pulled cord, a new rope, and look at the height adjuster because it keeps falling down. Well, the height adjuster is completely tore out. It's like a handbrake, so it's on a ratchet and that's just worn out. But it's got Very Drive on this mower, and when I was looking, the Very Drive, the belt is actually fully overstretched. So when I do the cable, it's not going to have much drive and that, so it needs a new belt. And looking underneath it, the blade is completely tore out. There's not a lot left of it. It looks like they've let the height adjuster fall down and literally been ploughing with the mower. But when you look underneath it, you can see it's scraped all the way along, including the bottom of the blade, the gearbox, if you can just see it, it's just like it's been, looks like it's been pulled like behind a tractor as a plough. Shame, because on top it looked a nice mower, but as you sort of taken it apart, there's more. It's never been never been cleaned out or nothing. It's, the grass is that thick underneath. You can just see with the blades sort of just kept it sort of cut down. There's no where the grass was supposed to come out the back to the box. I don't know how the grass ever went in the box because it's just solid. I've scraped bits out of it, but like I said, I've started filming that to do the cable. Like I say, the cable's there, it's all apart. So over the next couple of weeks, I'll do a video on the cable, and I'll do one on the height adjuster. Maybe do one on the blade, maybe do one on the pull start. I don't know. So sort of what comes up in between. I'm going to do some more videos. I'm trying to do at least one a week, maybe two. So if it is two, it'll probably be like Tuesday and a Friday, something like that. But you'll always be probably running behind. That's the thing. And the other thing is we're talking about videos. The Ketley Motorsport video for September will now be October. It's okay, isn't it? Just October. We're in October, or we will be in October over the weekend. So I don't see me getting it out before that. And not that much has happened on that side of it, because I've been doing a few other little sort of projects for other people, and I've literally turned the garage upside down looking for that bit I was on about in the update, and on the other, the little update, and I found it, but turned it upside down with that, and then I put the Murray on some trestles the other night, and I've been working on it, and I walked away from it and doing something else. I come back to it, or stood near it, and for some reason it fell off the trestles. So I'm not quite sure why it did it or how it did it, no idea, but I know it smacked me in the chest as it did it, and I lost 2 days because of that, because I couldn't move. I was fine at the time. It's not a day or so later, I couldn't move. But anyway, we're not going to worry about that. So that video's coming up soon. But like I say, so you are going to be a week or so behind on that, I reckon. And most of these videos, like I say, I'm trying to do 2 videos a week if I can, every week if I can. I doubt it. I really doubt it. I can't. I think it's too much hard work trying to film stuff, like I said before. And I'm thinking about trying to talk Heidi into doing a live video on a Sunday or something, the odd Sunday, just for the laugh of it. You know, it's just to do a live one, see if anyone's about, and you know what I mean. A lot of people doing live videos, so some are quite good. But yeah, that's about it. I'm getting cold and damp, so I'm going to go in. Subscribe, do the usual sort of stuff. You know what I do. You don't need me to tell you how to do it. Just make sure if you want to watch stuff like that, and if we do the live one, and you want to sort of come in with chat on that, obviously ring your bell when you subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I've got another couple this week, and thanks to all my old subscribers, because without you I'd be back down in the water. So it's all good, all great. Do appreciate it a hell of a lot. I think that's it. I don't want to ramble too much. I'll ramble enough as it is anyway. So for now, I shall see you later. Bye bye.